Someone actually gifted me this laundry hamper, and I did expect to use it as much as I do. The thing I noticed is how easy it is to move around those 360-degree swell wells, keep smoothly on hardwood, tile, even carpet, and when I needed to stay still, the located wells keep it in place. The metal frame feels solid if loaded this thing up with towels, bedding, even blankets, and it doesn't bend or wobble. The 160-liter capacity is honestly huge. It holds way more than a regular basket, and the front mesh pocket is perfect for tossing small stuff like sock or cleaning cloth. The removable laundry bag is thick, water resistant, and easy to wipe down, don't have to worry about anything soaking through. I also like that the whole thing folds and snaps together quickly, no complicated setup. Overall, it just makes laundry way easier and faster for me. Didn't think a gift would end up being the useful.